Ashraf is always there to eat.
Welcome back to Ashraf Eat. And today I will be eating two foods. First up, we have canai, kind of like roti with curry, chicken curry, and yeah. And today I'm eating in Canai Mamak KL, which is in Banda Aceh, Indonesia. Other video I was eating in Banda Aceh, click here. So how you eat it is like this. So you just dip it in the curry sauce. It's good. I mean, it's really good, but for you, like the other video also, if you don't eat spicy, I recommend you do not eat the curry, but the roti or canai is a bit hard. I didn't try the chicken, so I'm gonna get spoons and forks. So I got my spoon. Okay. So the chicken looks like something like this. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna get a piece and put it on the roti. It's a little bit hard to use spoon and fork and dip it a little bit and eat it. The chicken is a little bit cold, but yeah, the chicken's a little bit cold. The curry is a little bit spicy. The roti is a little bit hard. But I would rate it maybe like 4 stars. It's good. If you come to Banda Aceh, first thing you should try is this. It's so good. And last, we have Juga float, which is an orange float. It's orange juice with a little bit of water and ice cream on the top. I'm gonna try it first. Well, it's not supposed to be mixed, so I'm gonna try it first. So it just really basically tastes like orange juice, normal orange juice, with vanilla ice cream on the top. So if you never ever tried orange juice, orange is actually really good for you. And the vanilla ice cream on the top makes it a little bit more coldish. And because we're in Banda Aceh, the ice cream already melted. And yeah. I would rate this orange float maybe about maybe like 3.5, because I thought like floats are a little bit fizzy and it's not so fizzy, it's really good because you know, the orange, it just refreshes you so much after all the hot in Banda Aceh. So it's so good to have orange with vanilla ice cream. So if you're going to Banda Aceh, you need to try this.